On Saturday, December the 6th, I'm going to be back at Kempton Autojumble and taking along a number of bikes this time. So we've got this, a Honda XL185s, it's a 1983. As you can see, it's in good shape. It's been mostly restored. It's not a full concours job, but as you can tell, this is so much better than a lot of other stuff that's on the market at the moment. It's not an original exhaust, as you can see, but those can be got to be replaced, just that silence a bit, or you can buy the whole system. I believe the XL125 also fits this model as well. So there we go, that's the 185. It's currently awaiting the DVLA registration. That was sent off only last week. We have a VJMCC dating certificate for it for 1983, and as you can see, keys present, all works. And I've done quite a bit of work on this one just to get it finished off, because it wasn't complete when I got hold of it. So that's the first of them. And then we have this. This is a 1979, registered on a V plate. We're just waiting for the actual number plate to come through. It's all done with the DVLA. So it's an XT500G. Non-standard exhaust, but everything else is there. Indicators all in good condition. Starts and runs okay. Let's see if we can get this one started up. Okay, what we'll do is just go back and start up the 185 as well, so you can see and hear that. Oh, I think it's run out of fuel, didn't put much in it. But there you go. That's the 185 running. And then we also have, currently in the back of the van, the Honda XL500s, which you've probably seen before. But this one is in lovely condition. I'll put some other pictures up of this one, because I obviously can't get this started. It's in the van. And yeah, you'll see what it looks like. And then also we'll be taking along this.